Hi everyone, my name is Holly Miller from Prison Wheel, and today I'm going to talk about the energy phase for June. So you guys are going to see the new crystal wheel, and you will get an intuitive message for the month. So how exciting is that? Um, so first, let me show you the new crystal wheel that we've created for this month. Okay, it can be used anytime, but it's new and released for this month to use with the energy flow that's coming up for the month of June. So our collection for the 3 months, April, May, June, is Peace Pipe collection. So very inspired by Native American. So one of our last pieces is the Thunderbird. The Thunderbird. The Thunderbird brings truth, power, transformation, strength. It also brings protection as well. So, very, very powerful message came. I believe I did before April. We do all 3 months. And the Thunderbird is really resonating with the first part of this month, really. I know it's only the second day, but it's really fitting really well with what's going on in the world right now. This crystal is new. It's chrysocolla. And this serves for empowerment, being expressive, being able to tell your truth, but also helping and allowing the truth to be surfaced. This is very strong energy coming out of this crystal wheel. There's a lot of power that the Thunderbird holds. Even the name is super powerful. But the other things that are coming up for this month are we're going to start to see new beginnings. We're going to start to feel shifts, okay? New beginnings, transformation happening. And with that, we're going to feel a sense of we might feel a sense of being pulled back, but then we're going to come forward and then notice the growth that we have made as a whole. Okay. It's also a time for us to become more grounded. Okay. And we're really starting to notice where we stand in our life, who we are as people, what we want, what we stand for, what we don't stand for. These things are starting to come up a little more. We're also being told to be very patient during this time, okay? For a couple different reasons. Be patient when you're being pulled back, okay? Because sooner or later you're gonna be pulled forward and notice that growth. The other thing that you really need to be patient for is the things that you have planted, okay, the things that you wanted to happen, will soon grow and prosper. Things will start to happen. Give it time. This month, you're going to notice a lot of being pulled back, okay? And when you're in that pulled back position, you're going to want to be the observer. You're going to want to look at things from kind of all angles, okay? And then when you're pulled forward, you're going to say, oh yeah, like that makes sense now. Yes, this is very, very crucial. You're going to want to make sure you're doing a lot of nurturement. You're going to want to up your self-care. Very important during this time because again, new beginnings, we're going in a shift, okay? New beginnings can be a little, they're not always right away anyways. Um, full of sunshine. Sometimes things happen and change and it can be painful. But when we start to take a couple steps forward, we start to open up and see that new beginning. I'm looking at my notes. So go with the flow and ride this beautiful wave of new beginning energy. Okay. I know right now it can be kind of difficult to do that for most of us out there. Um, but know and trust that big changes are coming. And we have this beautiful energy of the Thunderbird with us. Um, Power, truth, transformation. Um, and it's almost like the Thunderbird is standing up tall and recognizing and seeing you and helping you and guiding you. And you can really feel it. Like when you say Thunderbird, it just sounds very powerful. Okay. So I am so excited to have introduced you to this new crystal wheel, Thunderbird. Let me know what you guys think of the energy phase for this month and the crystal wheel. And I will look forward to seeing you next month. Have a great week. Bye. Or month as well. Bye.